Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send bold and italic together in one text on your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. In this option, you have to press here underscore, then star, then your message, again star and underscore. Press on send. That's it. So this is how to send bold and italic together in one text. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.